Hello folks, and welcome to the Creativity Cabinet. I'm Christine, and I'm trying really hard to look to the side of my iPad so that I actually won't be making eye contact with you, since I had a comment about that. So I'm hoping that I'm doing a little bit better with that. But let's move on to what this video is going to be about. This is actually going to be another little cooking video, and it's based upon a video that I saw from Emmymadeinjapan, who, as you know, is my favorite YouTuber. She made an antacid cake, and she made it with sandwich cookies and milk and an antacid called Nino antacid. And the cake had to be steamed. So I immediately was thinking, I bought that steamer for my Mariah Elizabeth video, and this could be another thing that I could use it for. So I decided to see if I could get what I needed for it possibly from Dollar Tree. I first went onto Dollar Tree's website, and what do you know? I found an antacid called Pico. Well, it's spelled P-I-C-O-T. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I pronounce it Pico. And it actually has citric acid and bicarbonate of soda, which is what Emmy said that the Nino antacid had in it. So I thought, oh, great, that'll work. It's on DollarTree.com, so I should be able to find it in my local Dollar Tree. Well, no dice. I looked everywhere. I looked at 2 different Dollar Trees. They didn't have it. And by that time, I was really wedded to the idea of wanting to make this. So I looked at what antacids they did have. Well, they have these little packages of Alka-Seltzer tablets. And so I look at the back where it says drug facts, and what do you know? Let me put this up to the camera here. What do you know? It says that the ingredients are anhydrous citric acid, aspirin, and sodium bicarbonate. So basically the same as the antacid that Emmy used, except that it has aspirin in it, which means that my cake, well, I guess, will have pain-relieving properties. So everything that I'm going to be doing for my antacid cake, I got at the Dollar Tree. So let me just show you what's gonna go in it. I got 2 of these bags of Oreo Minis. I'm hoping that will be about the right amount of cookies for it. I got some milk. The recipe calls for 1 cup of milk. This actually has 2 cups in it, so I'll have a little bit of milk left over. But this was in the refrigerator section at the Dollar Tree. I got the Alka-Seltzer. I'm going to crush up the tablets to put it into the cake. And I got some cooking spray. By the way, I recommend this cooking spray. It's really good cooking spray, and you can get it at the Dollar Tree. Don't bother with the other cooking sprays at Dollar Tree. I've tried those, and they're not very good quality, but this kind is really good, the coconut oil kind. So that's just to make it not stick to the pan. I also got these little foil pans. These are 7-inch pans. Emmy used a 5-inch pan in her recipe. So my cake is probably going to not rise quite as much because it's using a bigger pan. But I tried putting these into my steamer, and they do fit into the steamer. So this hopefully will work. I also got some chocolate chips to put on top. And even my tools. I'm gonna. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Here's a hefty bag that I'm gonna crush my cookies in. She ground up her cookies in the food processor. That would be a good idea, but I don't have a food processor here in my office. But what I do have is a rolling pin, which amazingly enough I got at Dollar Tree. This is a kind of a French style rolling pin. So I'm going to put the cookies into the Ziploc bag and crush them up with the rolling pin. Hopefully, if I do that enough, I'll be able to get a nice finely crushed crumbs, which is what I need for the recipe. And I also have a bowl to mix it all up in, which is also a Dollar Tree bowl, and a spoon for mixing purposes, which I also got at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and allow you to watch me make this cake, and we'll see how it turns out. cake has steamed for 25 minutes. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna let you guys see it as I unveil it. Okay, my cake has been cooling. Here it is. I'll let you see that. See, it is solid. It's still pretty warm, so it's not quite time to eat yet, but I'm going to try to unmold it. I'm going to unmold it on one of these little silver things that the cake pans came with. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, my cake has cooled down now. I'll let you see it again here. And so now I'm going to cut a slice and see how it tastes. Okay, here it is. Here's my piece. I'm gonna give it a shot here. That is really good. I think the chocolate chips really help make it taste chocolatey. What a treat. Well, as Emmy would say, there you have it. I actually showed that I can make a cake with just Dollar Tree ingredients. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Big shout out to everybody who watches and all my new subscribers. I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram. I've just gotten started on there. Not much on there right now, but I plan to put on more. And as always, go out there and make art.